Many of you have been asking how you can create your own banners and buttons. So I want to share with you how I create them. I love Canva without the S as a digital tool for creation. So Canva has a way that you can get a free account, and all you have to do is click on this register now for free. And you do have to prove that you're an educator. So you need to share something that's proving that you are an educator somewhere. So once you have done that and you create your account, you are going to go to canva.com, and it's going to bring you to this homepage. The homepage is going to look like this, and you are able to create a design. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a banner or a button. So you're going to go up here to create a design. I am wanting to put in custom dimensions because certain things on Canvas are going to require a certain image size. And anytime that you want to look up images for certain platforms, just Google search it and you will find it. I put the dimensions that are needed for Canvas banners and buttons on the teacher resource page in the MSD Connect staff resource site. So I'm going to click custom dimensions. For my banner, it is 1600 by 400 pixels, and I'm going to create a new design. When I create the new design, it is going to give me the exact size that I need for my banner. Now you have the ability to either select a template that you like. Let's say you love this one. And then all you would have to do is change the wording, and then you would have a banner that is already done. All you had to do is take a template that's already created and then add your own personalized message. If I drag this, the corners, it's going to make it bigger on its own if I wanted to make it bigger. And it will also show these kind of lines and click in place when it's centered. If I wanted to change the size from up here, I could do that. And I also can choose another font. So I could highlight, go up here to the fonts, and then decide on a different font that I wanted to use. So when you are ready to print or to download this image, you are going to go to download, make sure it's PNG, and then you're just going to click download, and that will get downloaded onto your computer, and you can upload it or drag it straight into Canvas and insert it on the page that you want. Now, let's say you want to create a banner for every page with this same design, but you just want to change the wording. You don't have to keep recreating the wheel. You're just going to click this duplicate page, and it will make duplicate copies that then you can just change the wording on. Now, let's say that you decide you want a different background. I'm going to make one more copy, and I'm just going to click on this background. So the outside edge is turquoise. I'm going to go to background, and then I am going to choose the background that I want. And this one is, they actually layered one on top of each other. So let me go to this new page. That's going to give me a blank slate. Now I click on that background and it brings it straight in. If I don't like it, I can just go and look through all of the different options and choose the option that I like the best. And then when you want to add your wording, because this is not a template, so it doesn't have that word box already added, I'm going to go to text, click on either one that I like from the samples. So let's say I click this one. That is going to automatically embed. I can change the wording, and then I can change the font up here on the font. And then I can move this wherever I want it. Just have to drag it so it has that little kind of triangular or diamond-shaped arrow. And there it is. If I wanted to change this to a different color, I would just go up and I would choose a different color that I liked. Now this one you can see has a couple different, has kind of a shadow. So you can see how that changes the blue, but you still see that pink in the background. Now, if I decided that I wanted to add another image, let's say I wanted to add another donut to this image, I could search up here in Elements, Donut, and it would bring up all of these pictures of donuts. So I could just click on the one I want, drag it in, and I can layer the donuts. Maybe you want a photograph of a donut. You can find a photograph too. And so maybe I want to add this one instead. I want to get rid of the little one. I'm just going to click on it and click delete. And then I'm just going to drag this one over here to the bottom. I can make it smaller. Now, if I wanted this little one to be in back of the big one, I would go up here to position. And this is, for some reason, it's not letting me decide. I can choose on what side of the page I want it. A lot of times it'll ask you if you want to go forward or backward with it. Oh, I know why. Because this donut is a fixed image in the background, so I can't layer it. However, if I chose this one as well, so I just clicked on that sprinkle and it popped in. Now I can layer these two. So let's say I wanted to put this one over here and I wanted this one to be on top of both of them. I would go up to position and click forward, and then that one would pop in on the front. So lots of really fun things that you can do with this tool. You can also upload some of your own images if you want and bring those in. So I hope you love Canva. Again, remember that the dimensions that you need to create your own buttons and banners are on the Canvas resource site on the MSD Connects staff resource page. And so you go there, you click on Canvas resources, and then you click on teacher resources. And at the bottom of the page, you're going to see the dimensions for all of the different banners, buttons, and tiles that you need to create in your Canvas account. Have fun creating. I love Canva, and I hope you love it as much as I do.